Look no further than the 2019 Subaru Impreza. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Peace of mind is what this well-built Impreza delivers every time you take the wheel. From its advanced safety tech to its sure-footed all-weather capability, this confidence-inspiring compact has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: engine immobilizer, bucket seats. This capable Impreza blends can-do practicality with a snazzy sense of style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.